Welcome aboard the Spacious 7.2 meters pontoon boat. Crowned with its extended bimini top, set the tone for your escape. The integrated MP3 system with speakers provides the perfect backdrop. Relax into the ultra-soft champagne and white lounge seating. Premium seats feature adjustable armrests with clever hidden storage built right in. Perfect for stashing sunscreen, towels, and drinks, keeping everything neatly stowed. Powered for long journeys, the large 90 liters fuel tank means more time exploring and less time refueling. And for the sun lovers, your personal sunbeds await, centered around the spacious stern sunbeds. This is your spot for pure relaxation.